Good morning, all of you. How are you? Hope you are doing well. So, today I am here to teach you a lesson, The Vagabond, Section B, Unit 5. This is Part B. In Part A, I have already told you about this poem. This poem, The Vagabond, by R.S. Stevenson, tells what a wanderer loves live his life, and he is happy with the wandering all the time. Okay, he doesn't need a house to live. I'm talking about vagabond, that he does not need a house to live. He doesn't need proper food. He doesn't need money. He All he wants is a sky above him and an endless road ahead. Okay, so poet Robert Louis Stevenson um, uh, uh, represent the kind of we can say life that the poet would love to live. All the narrator wants to live a natural life filled with the heaven, the land, we can say the birds, the rivers. The poet describes the carefree life of a wanderer who wants nothing about the pleasure of his world, even neither wealth nor hope nor love nor we can say friendship. Mm, he only wants the heaven above and the road below him, so that he may travel on without any care or for the comfort of life. Nothing can reduce his spirit of wandering. He speaks of harsh conditions in autumn and winter, but says that it will not prevent him for his yearning to be on the road. In the final stanza, it means in the end of the poem, he repeats what he said in the second stanza, that he know that he will die sooner or later, but only wants to live his life on the road with heaven above and the road below. So now, students, I will read this poem for you, and I will explain you the meaning of every two lines. Okay, so first paragraph: give to me the life I love, let the live to go by me, give the jolly heaven above and the baby near me. Okay, so first two lines I will read: give me the life I love. Uh, Let the live go by me. It means give me the kind of life I love to live and let the rest of the world pass by me. Give the joy heaven above and the baby near me. It means that give me the great outdoors where I can see the heavens, and give me the road beside me to travel. Okay, in next paragraph: bed in the bush with stars to see, bread I dip in the water, in the river. There's the life of a man like me, that's the life forever. It means give me a bit outdoors where I can see the stars and bread that can I dip in the river. There's the life for a man like me, there's the life forever. It means that that is type of a life I want forever. Okay. uh, Next para: let the blow fall soon or late, let what will be over me, give the face of earth round and the road bill before me. It means first two lines: let the blow fall soon or late, let what will be over me. It means that it doesn't matter when I die, earlier or later. It means sooner or later, whatever will be will be. Okay, so give the face of earth around and the road before me. It means that give me the earth, the great outdoors around me everywhere, and the road before me to travel. Now, next paragraph: wealth I seek nor hope nor love, nor a friend to know me. All I seek the heaven above and the road below me. First two lines I will explain you first. That Wealth I seek not hope nor love nor a friend to know me. It means I don't need money, love, or even friends. All I seek is the heaven and I don't need this type of relationships all in all. So I don't need money, love, or not even friends. All I want is the great outdoors and the road to travel. Now, next paragraph. Or let autumn fall on me, where afield I linger, silencing the bird on a tree, biting the blue finger. It means that let the leaves of autumn fall on me wherever I may have stopped at the time. Silencing the bird on tree biting the blue finger, it means that as autumn changes to winter, the birds disappear, preparing for winter. Next para. White as meal, the frosty field, warm the fireside heaven. Not to autumn will I yield, not to winter even. It means that, and what the fields are covered with snow, I will have a fireside shelter outdoors. I will not allow autumn or winter to force me indoors. Okay, so this is the explanation. And last, these two paragraphs are repeated that let the blow fall soon or late, uh, let what will be of me, give the face of earth around and the road before me. Uh, it doesn't matter when I die earlier or sooner, as I already told you that whatever be will be. And give me the earth, the it means the outdoors around me everywhere and the road before me. Okay, so wealth I ask not, hope nor love nor a friend to know me. All I ask the heaven above and the road before me. It means that poet says that I don't need love, money, relationship, or not even friends. All I seek is the heaven, um, and road before me, below me. It means that all I want is the great outdoors and the road to travel. So students, all in all, the poet wants a carefree life. पोएट को क्या चाहिए? पोएट को एक केयर फ्री लाइफ चाहिए, जो उसको कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शंस ना दे और जो नेचर के क्लोज रहे, जो उसको कोई भी ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप्स नहीं चाहिए, कोई भी एसोसिएशंस नहीं चाहिए। वाई? बिकॉज ये वेल्थ जो है, होप जो, ये मटेरियलिस्टिक थिंग्स है, ये अफेक्शंस, ये सब नहीं चाहिए उसको। इसको सिर्फ चाहिए नेचर के क्लोज रहना, और ट्रैवल करना वन प्लेस टू अनदर, रेगुलर लाइफ टाइम ट्रैवल करना। सो होप यू फाइंड द लेसन यूजफुल। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ गुड डे।